In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how Dexter's been receiving acupuncture and electro acupuncture in his care. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again today. I'm Tanya Wilhelm, and if you hear any snoring in the background, that's Dexter taking his regular siesta. For those of you who've been following our channel, you already know a lot about Dexter. And for you newbies, Dexter's my 14-year-old Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and he's the love of my life to say the least. Back in 2012, just before Dexter's 3rd birthday, he was diagnosed with Chiari Malformation and Syringomyelia, which is often referred to as CM and SM. Chiari Malformation basically means the skull is either too small or not formed right to hold the brain in properly, which can irritate the nerves and cause pain and weakness. Although Dexter's diagnosis wasn't ideal and something I wanted to hear, there are ways that you can manage this disease and help your dog live a happy, pain-free, productive life. And that's the case with Dexter. Throughout my YouTube channels and my blog, I've videoed and written a lot about the way I care for Dexter. So I'll leave those links in the description below, along with a lot of other helpful links. So make sure you check them out after this video. When Dexter was first diagnosed back in 2012, one of the things that we included into his care was acupuncture. And this year we added electro acupuncture. So let's dive into both and see how they're benefiting Dexter and how they may help your dog even with other conditions, not just Chiari Malformation. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It tells YouTube that you like the video and shows it to more pet parents and keeps our content coming your way. Acupuncture is all about precision. Dexter's vet uses tiny needles that are placed at specific points on Dexter's body, aiming to balance his energy flow and improve his health. This is a form of traditional Chinese veterinary medicine, TCVM. Acupuncture aims to balance qi flow through meridians in your dog's body, potentially alleviating pain, improving circulation, and promoting overall well-being. This ancient technique views Dexter's health holistically, addressing not just his symptoms, but also the underlying energetic imbalances in his body. Hi everyone, are you loving this content so far? Do you want to dive even deeper into the world of positive dog training and natural care? If so, you'll want to join my amazing community on Patreon. I have a variety of tiers to meet everyone's needs. Plus, by becoming a member, not only will you receive fun perks, your support also helps me continue creating the content you love. So thank you, and let's get back to the video. Typical Dexter, he's been a champ with his acupuncture sessions. It's helped manage his pain, improve his circulation, and his mobility. And acupuncture isn't just for dogs with medical issues like Dexter. It can ease arthritis, aches, pains, calm anxious pups, boost digestion, and even tackle skin issues. It's gentle, drug-free, and tackles a bunch of issues they may face. This year, Dexter's vet started electro acupuncture with Dex. The same type of needles are used, but with a gentle jolt of electricity, which reaches deeper tissues and gives Dexter's body an extra boost. Electro acupuncture is a form of acupuncture that uses small electric currents to stimulate acupuncture points. This technique can be helpful for dogs like Dexter who suffer from chronic pain, muscle stiffness, and musculoskeletal issues. Dexter's responded well to his treatment, and I've noticed an improvement in his overall mobility and comfort levels. So you might be wondering why Dexter started with regular acupuncture before adding the electrical boost of electro acupuncture. It's important to ease the body and the mind into treatment. Regular acupuncture is gentler, letting him adjust to the stimulation of specific points and build a baseline for improvement. This also gave his vet a chance to see how his body responded to the treatment itself before adding the potential extra oomph of the electrical current. In the end, it's always about finding the most comfortable and effective way to help Dexter feel his best. Just like any treatment, acupuncture isn't suitable for every dog. These tiny needle pricks might leave a bit of soreness or a temporary bruise. Some pups might feel a little sleepy afterwards. This was the case with Dexter when he first started, but that's not the case now. I think his body and his mind have gotten used to what's going to happen. In rare cases, there could be some minor bleeding or even an allergic reaction. This month, Dexter had 2 rounds where one of his acupuncture points decided to let out a couple drops of blood. The vet explained to me that this can happen, and some pros actually do it on purpose. This is called the bleeding method acupuncture. Way back in ancient times, this technique was practiced. Nowadays, it's more about pressure points and using dainty needles. So if your dog is facing challenges like Dexter or getting older, acupuncture or electro acupuncture might be an option for your dog. It's natural, safe, and could possibly make a big improvement in your dog's life and care. But you want to remember, every dog is unique. So have a down-to-earth chat with your dog's veterinarian to discuss the pros and cons of acupuncture or electro acupuncture for your dog's care. And as always, remember to pause and enjoy life, and we'll see you in the next video. Do you want to connect with other Cavalier parents who truly get it? If so, make sure you join our vibrant and positive Cavalier Facebook group. If you're enjoying today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I dive deep into all things dog training, natural care, and healthy living for you and your dog.